So class, today's lesson is on factors and multiples, still part of the whole number unit. Adam has 18 stamps. He arranges the stamps in sets of 3. 18 equals 3 times 6. 3 is a factor of 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. It's also a multiple of 6. So if we divide 18 by 3, we put it in the box. 3 cannot go into 1, we would put a marker, but in this case, this is the textbook. So 3 into 18 can fit 6 times, evenly. Is 18 a multiple of 6? Yes, because 6 can fit into 18 3 times. Is 6 a factor of 18? Yes, because 18 divided by 6 is 3. Let's look at this problem. 4 times 7 is 28. So if you're confused about which is the factors and which is the multiple, the factors are the numbers being multiplied. The multiple is the answer. So let's take a look at that again. So do you see the factors are 4 and 7. 4 times 7 equals the multiple, 28. Good? So is 4 a factor of 110? So we put the 110 in a box and we divide it by 4. 4 cannot go into 1, so we normally put a marker, but this is the textbook. 4 can go into 11 2 times, because 2 times 4 is 8. We subtract the 8 from the 11, we get a 3. We bring down a 0, and we get 30. 4 can fit into 30 7 times, because 4 times 7 is 28. And we have a remainder of 2. Since 110 cannot be divided by 4 exactly, 4 is not a factor. We can't have a remainder. It has to fit in. Okay? One of the strategies to find the factors of a multiple, like this number 36, we make a chart or a list. So you always start off with 1, right? 1 times 36 is 36. Then you start with 2. We're not sure, so we do the division. Look to the right. 36 divided by 2 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36, or 18 plus 18 is 36, right? Then we're going to try 3. 3 times something. Can it equal to 36? Let's try. Okay, so we're going to divide 36 by 3 to see if 3 is a factor. 3 into 3 is 1 time. Then we drop the 6 down, put an arrow. 3 into 6 can go 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. So we look back on our list and we're going to do 3 times 12 is equal to 36. Then we're going to try 4, right? If you know your times tables, right? 9 and 9 is 18. So that means 18 plus 18 is 36. So 4 times 9. Okay. Then we're going to try 5s. But we know that 5 can't fit into 36 because the second number, the 6, is an even number. Okay, so 5 can't work. We tried 6. 6 times. So we're going to try 6, and 6 we know from multiplication table, 6 times 6 is 36. We can try 7. 7, to get to 36, the closest we got is 7 times 5 is 35. So that won't work. 8. The closest is 8 times 4, which is 32, so that won't work. And 9, we already got the 9, so we can stop here, class. So now we're going to make a list. So 36 is equal to, we know that 1 times 36 is 36, 2 times 18 is 36, 3 times 12 is 36, 4 times 9 is 36, and 6 times 6 is 36. So you notice I'm going from left to right, from smallest to largest. So now I'm going to put the partners in on the right. Okay, so do you see how I did it? I put the smallest numbers first, copied it off of my list, and then I added their partners, right? Because 1 times 36 is 36, it's way at the other end. So I want to make sure they're in order, right? So 6 came next, 9 came next, 12, 18, and finally 36. So these are the factors for 36. Does that make sense? We will be doing problems like this. So refer to this video if you ever get stuck again about factors and multiples.